Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of digital money that, much like Bitcoin, enables peer to peer transactions across a decentralized network. Back in late January 2021, Doge comfortably broke its previous all time high, which had stood at a modest $0.018 and had been set 3 years earlier. In a short space of time, Dogecoin's price more than quadrupled, nearing $0.08, the latest fury of excitement on Twitter saw records broken again when prices hit $0.38. Dogecoin just went to the moon. A cryptocurrency that started as a joke is really exploding now. There is a reason why it is going up so much. I'm going to explain it to you. Also watch this video till the end as I'm going to give you my prediction about what's going to happen and if you should continue to hold or if it is going to crash. So you should take your profits now. Let's get straight to the point. So Dogecoin this week just went up about 500% before retracing a bit, and now it's up about 350%. But if I zoom out of the chart, it is up by 11,000% only since January. That's insane considering that in the same time Bitcoin just did 600%. But now that is went up by so much yesterday and it will continue to drop. Few days ago, Elon Musk tweeted this Dogecoin parking at the moon. When Elon Musk tweets something about Dogecoin, it is going to explode. But this time is a little bit different. There is a lack of momentum on basically every growth or a heat stock or momentum stock, call them whoever you want. GM is selling off, AMC is selling off, Sandal Grovers is selling off. All the crypto mining stocks are selling off. All of the hype stocks are just selling off. So right now there is no hype around any other stock, and the thing is like around January when Dogecoin exploded. Doge was like the fifth most trending things. The first one was Jimmy, the second one was AMC, then we saw Sandal and everything. So when people has to buy something, they have to invest in something, they just go with the first one. Maybe they look at the second one, but they don't look at the third one. The fourth one, the fifth one, they really don't. So Dogecoin went up because Elon Musk did that. But it didn't went up that much because people were already buying some other things. Right now, we still don't have the volume. At least look at Google Trend, like 1/4 of the volume we had on January, and the stock is going up so much more than January. So if the run can continue, because right now there is no other hype stock, that is only Dogecoin. So if the run can continue, then and we can get a lot more people to buy Dogecoin, then it can continue and probably reach even about a dollar mark. It's so much, but think about it. It's only like 300% from now. So it's not that much if people actually decide that 0.3 is an okay price, and if they continue to buy, then it is really possible. But it's really risky, especially considering that right now most of the people are getting out of some other hype stocks. So for example, GME, AMC, Sandal, and they maybe lost so much money. So right now that they have invested into Dogecoin, they are maybe thinking about selling. The reason why it might actually not go up because there is hype, but there is also fear. Because there was another huge crash just some times ago. It has the potential to go up so much more. It has the potential to at least reach 0.5, but even reach a dollar. Hype stocks first go up and then they drop, but stay at the value more than their initial. That's the pattern that hype stock follows, because people invest in them just because there is hype, not because they believe them for the future. So it's just a swing trade. They buy, they sell when they think it's enough. When they think it's going to crash. The thing is that some people that are able to do it, they are able to sell it just right on top before it's crashing. There are people that sell a little bit too late. There are people that are doing other stuff and in one day it just drops from 0.3 to 0.1 and it literally wiped out all of your money. So if you earn 40k per year and you have 500k, then it's better to just sell them because that's really an insane amount of money. Even if you have 20,000 and you want to buy a new car, just sell it. If you have 1,000, then you can just time on hand and hold it. But really consider that it's the pattern. It's not like a question of whether it will drop or not. It's 100% sure that it will drop. The thing is, will you be lucky enough to hold it till the top? and sell just right before it's going to crash, or it will be lucky and it will sell already when it's too late. The hype is going to continue, but the thing is that so do your own consideration and just decide whether you should do it or you should not. Now we will try to know if you should sell or if you should continue to own. Now, is this an amount of money that will change your life? If it is, please at least consider taking like 50%. You should continue to diamond hand and just go to the moon. But just think about yourself at least. If that will actually allow you to change your life, to buy a new car, to buy maybe a new house, to pay out your student loans, take at least 50% of that, and you know you have to pay taxes on that. But use them. Use them to make your life better and sell Doji. Actually, if it is an insane amount of money, sell it all today. But I feel that it's good to hold, like maybe a 25 to 50%, because there is still so much potential. Remember that it is highly risky, so it may be that it goes up another 2300% and you lost united opportunity. But it could also be that it goes back down to 0.5 and you lost everything you had, an amount of money that could have really changed your life, and it didn't because you didn't sell. So I think it's a good option for you, at least selling something like 50% if it is an amount that will really change your life. If it is not, then you can just continue to hold. If you are a trader, and this is the perfect time to continue trading because you actually have the volatility to actually continue to trade and make some very good swing trades. Take your time, think about how much money you have and how can it change your life. Also, I would like to tell you that before you make any financial decisions, please do your proper research. Don't trust anybody because only you know better than anyone else. So use your due diligence and do your own research regarding Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency before buying or selling. Because guys, always remember that at the end, only you and you will be responsible for your profits or for your losses. So if you found this video really informative, then please make sure to press the like button, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day.